Hi and welcome back. In this video, I would like to share with you how to cook brown rice using an instant pot. We are always looking for healthier options, and one of the healthy options for white rice is brown rice. Both brown rice and white rice have same calorie count, but brown rice has more fiber content in it. Brown rice keeps you full for a long period of time. Here I have 1 cup of rice. I washed it in water. This is an optional step. If you do not want to wash your rice, that's completely fine. Just dump your rice into the instant pot directly. So I'm going to move this 1 cup of rice into the instant pot. For 1 cup of rice, add 1.5 cups of water. That's 1 cup. And I'm going to take another half cup. You can also add salt into this and also add a teaspoon of olive oil, but those are optional. Instead of water, you can use vegetable broth or chicken broth, but I like using water, so I used simple plain water. Put this into the inner pot, close the lid, turn on pressure cook and set it to 20 minutes. Yes, it does take 20 minutes to cook this, and make sure the whistle is in sealing mode. Once the pressure cooking is done, I'm gonna let it naturally pressure release for around 20 minutes. It's been around 20 minutes and the valve is down. I don't have to do a quick release. So I'm gonna open. And look how lovely it is. I'm gonna fluff this rice a bit. So that's it, the rice is done. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you all in the next video. This rice is very tasty when eaten hot, and you can eat it with any of the soups like rasam, sambar, tomato rasam. Any liquid curries will taste good. For more such simple videos like this, please do subscribe to my channel. Do share my recipes with your family and friends and enjoy. Bye-bye.